guys, we got to Reno just now. We're gonna have a little fun. We're gonna come here, and you're about to see us rage out. We look like we're in Ocean's 11, and we're about to go rob the casino.
Rubber gloves and those ones. We thought we were gonna go plunge toilets.
I don't want to leave this party without saying goodbye.
Oh, maybe I should try using extra large gloves. That's probably why.
She said she wanted to watch the sunrise from the rooftop tonight. We were both on the dance floor. We were dropping down low. Well, I hate to see you leave, girl, but I love to watch you go.
Hustle, grind, rewind. You get a sledgehammer, you get a crowbar, you get a hammer, a baseball bat. Can we get that blue cup right there? That's how you gotta do it. You're gonna come off to the side. Somebody just used this recently. It's full of water. Hold on a second. Okay. Let's stand it up again. No, you don't want to hit it that way, remember? Don't hit the ground. I don't think we can get it to stand up again. Swing it. Try to hold when you swing it, keep your arms down lower so you get more force. Like, keep your arms lower so when it pivots, it goes up. Like this? Exactly, down. This is frying pan frisbee.
I don't wanna leave this party without saying goodbye. She said she wanna watch the sunrise from the rooftop tonight. We were both on the dance floor, we were dropping down low. Well, I hate to see you leave, girl, but I love to watch you go. Better hold this moment, one day we'll know why. We're gonna run around this crazy town, one day we're gonna fly. So hold me
Every time Jess calls me, she's like, the printer don't work. This is how I feel. Don't print that page.